Hi everyone, Dr. Foster King at IPA Physio in Portland, wanting to put a tip out there for anyone who sits for the majority of the day and experiences shoulder discomfort, neck discomfort, lower back, or even foot pain while they're working at their desk. So the first thing that I want you to do is I just want you to take notice of the movement in your body. So sit and perhaps close your eyes and just note, are you experiencing stress or strain in the neck, shoulder, back, or any of the regions of your body that are speaking to you louder than another? Take one opportunity to move your trunk in a direction like this. Allow your body to round down and then to come up to an upright position. Do that a few times and pay attention to the ease of movement or any discomfort that you might be experiencing. Take note of that, because that would be the outcome I would expect to be a little different after doing this movement exercise. So we want to make sure that you're sitting in a position and the environment set up appropriately. So we want to have the hip higher than the knees. So I'm going to use my treatment stool to elevate my hip. If that's not possible for you, sit on your jacket or a folded towel to prop yourself up a little bit higher. I'll give you a little bit of freedom of movement to move your spine. Now, what I want you to do is picture that you're sitting on a clock. 12 o'clock is forward or upright, 6 o'clock is down or backwards, 3 o'clock is to the right buttocks, and 9 o'clock is to the left buttocks. Direct yourself to the 12 and 6 o'clock diagonal. Allow yourself to sag back down towards 6 o'clock. Let your spine round and your shoulders to come forward. And then I want you to use your pelvis or your trunk to bring yourself back to upright. Don't go past the middle of the clock. You're going to repeat that 6 to 8 times with your breath. So inhale on the way down, exhale on the way up. Try to move slowly without force, and try to move gently or easily. Don't promote pain. If you can't do the motion, try to envision yourself doing it mentally in your mind. After you've done that 6 to 8 times, we're going to move towards the 12 o'clock position. Inhale, push your belly out, grow upright and tall in your spine. Come back to the middle. Repeat that slowly, 6 to 8 repetitions. Now, sit with your feet comfortably resting on the floor. Allow your weight to shift over towards your right buttocks. Notice that the left side of your back compresses, the right side elongates. Repeat that movement 6 to 8 times. Again, move gently, without force. Don't do anything that promotes pain. Notice that your trunk goes through a slight bit of rotation. Allow that to happen. Allow the muscles in your trunk to relax enough so that the movement carries through the spine. Repeat that motion 6 to 8 times. Now, shift onto the left buttocks. Allow that left side of your spine to elongate. Notice the right side shortens, left side shoulder comes up, right side comes down. Again, move thoughtfully and without force. Allow yourself to relax. Coordinate your breath. Inhale, exhale. Very good. So after doing those repetitions, return to your outcome, which is, can you go through the arching and sagging maneuver? Down and up. Down and up. Notice if that movement feels a little softer, easier, then close your eyes or take inventory of your shoulders or neck and say, does that in fact feel a little bit better? Do you have better range of motion? Do you have reduced pain? Keep those tips in mind, keep those body regions in mind, understanding that you want to stay active during the course of the day, and if you feel like you're getting locked into any one position, you're more inclined to having adverse tension in your muscles. So use these little movement tips throughout the course of the day to keep your spine looser and the tissues a little bit more balanced. So if you enjoyed this tip, click like and be sure to follow us for additional content on this page. Thanks and have a great day.